I first came to United Engines about 11 years ago, but mainly because my brother worked here and he got me a job washing parts. I didn't know much at the time, but what drew me back here was the fact that they would actually train you, show you what to do.
So my dad, he actually started here, and he was able to get me on board. And I started in the transmission rebuild department, and I just kind of tore down transmissions and kind of wanted to learn just a little bit more. So I went down to the truck shop and got all my on-highway certifications for Allison. And then I became a technician in the off-highway rebuild department.
To someone who's thinking about working at United Engines, I would say it's a good place to come work. There's a lot of good teamwork. The guys here, they really help you out. If you need more training in a certain department or a certain field, the training is here. Right now, I'm actually in a class myself. So you can see that the company really cares about its people and they want to teach them as much as they can. So as long as you want to learn and improve yourself, this is a good place to come.
Be patient, because there is a lot of information here and you're not going to be able to just swallow it all in whole overnight type thing. And I'd also say don't beat yourself up, because there's a lot of times where you just feel defeated sometimes. Some days you feel like you're the hero. So just continue to have a hard work ethic and push forward.
What I would say to someone that wants to start working here is definitely you got to want to learn as much as you can. Can't be afraid to get a little dirty, because you will. And you definitely want to learn from your mistakes, because you're going to make some.
If someone is looking to work at United Engines, say go for it. I mean, if you have the skill set as a technician in accounting, in purchasing with supply chain, or even in parts, I mean, it's a great company to start with and build your way up. Even if the initial position you start in isn't where you want to be, show everything you have and put a lot of effort in, and you'll get to where you want to be.
There's no better home than this place, and that's just me being honest. I have background with the diesel world, looking through that. United Engines has always been a very wholesome place to go for, and it's something that I would highly recommend somebody to go through and build their future and a career with.